For years you could buy a Bronco RTR, but it wasn't really a Ford. It was a regular Bronco shipped off and modified by an outside company. That truck was technically titled and sold once before you even bought it, and that affected financing, resale value, and the warranty. All of that changes in 2007. Ford just made the RTR a real factory model, built on the same assembly line, backed by a full Ford warranty, and priced to undercut a loaded Badlands. Here's everything confirmed so far, and exactly when you can get one. Design, and what makes it different. This RTR was built with RTR Vehicles, the performance brand founded by Formula Drift champion Vaughn Gittin Jr. It was tested at Johnson Valley, California, home of the legendary king of the Hammers off-road race. That's not a marketing line. That's where Ford actually pushed this truck. And because it rides on the standard four-door Bronco body, it fits the same massive aftermarket catalog as every other Bronco. Rock sliders, steel bumpers, skid plates, all available from day one. Engine and performance. Standard power comes from a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. 33-inch off-road tires come standard. A raised suspension comes standard too. Step up to the available Sasquatch package and you get 35-inch tires. You also get the Haas 3.0 suspension system with internal bypass Fox shocks, hardware that used to be exclusive to the Badlands trim. Ford also confirmed race-derived anti-lag turbo technology along with Raptor-sourced cooling hardware. This isn't just a styling package, it's real engineering. Price and release date. Here's what everyone actually wants to know. Order banks are expected to open in fall 2026. Ford originally pointed to October, but that window has shifted slightly, so treat the exact month as still moving. Sales are set to begin in January 2027, built at Ford's Michigan assembly plant. As for price, Ford hasn't announced a final number, but Ford has confirmed the RTR will start below a Badlands with the Sasquatch package, which currently runs around $52,500. Industry estimates place the standard RTR in the low to mid $50,000 range. Nothing official yet, but that's the realistic ballpark. Final verdict. Is the 2007 Bronco RTR worth waiting for? If you want Raptor-level attitude and real off-road hardware without the $80,000 price tag, this might be the smartest Bronco Ford has ever built. It's clearly aimed at a new generation of off-roaders, people who want serious capability, at a price that doesn't require a second mortgage. Would you wait for this over a full Raptor? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. More updates coming as Ford releases official pricing. See you in the next one. Peace.